Dogman, Fish 22. Intro 1. Georgian Hero, the man behind the Dogman. Jules, Snopes, it's your old buddy Georgian Hero. What's up? We just started 6th grade a few months ago. How time flies. Know that we are grown-ups, we have some work to do. So we are cleaning out our treehouse. Yep, we are getting rid of all this kid stuff to make room for grown-up stuff. When I was a child, I spoke like a child. Goodbye, Super Diaper Baby comic. I took like a child. So long, Max Spider-Bot, action figure, and accessories. I reasoned like a child. Few homemade pizza box of stone plated. But when I grew up, I put away these things. Plop. Wow! I don't wanna be a grown-up. Me either. Let's be kids forever. Okay. Future Max Spider-Bot. You can survive my use box of real. Pew pew. Not so fast, ambassador baby head. Pew pow pow. Pew pew. No. 6th grade. Oh yeah. 6th grade party time. Why don't we continue our pursuit of extreme maturity? Please enjoy our listed run into super suffocation. Dogman. One time, a cop and a police dog got hurt in an explosion. Kablam! They got crushed to the earth. Where the doctor gave them terrible news. Boo-hoo! Dude, your head is dying. Phew! Doctor, your body's dying. All hope is lost. Not an end. Let's stitch the dog's head into the cop's body. Right at the nurse lady. And soon an Arsenal hero was born. Hooray for Dogman! But then it got complicated. Piggy the cat was busy living a life of religiousness. Haha. When he accidentally created a kitty clone. Papa, he tried to make his clone become evil, but it was not to be. Little Petey kindness melted his Papa's heart, and now they are a family. During the week, Little Petey lived with his Papa in a secret laboratory. They built awesome robots together, but on the weekend, Little Piggy lived with his other family. E.T., the world's most remarkable robot, body their house. Together they play and make comics and stuff, but one help is needed. They transform into superheroes. Don't tell anybody that it's a secret. Worst secret ever. I know they just changed the costume right in front of us. Those guys talking smack over there are their friends. Sarah were best reporter. Susu were bravest puddle. Chief words. Chief. Together they all fight to save the world. Even Piggy is part of the team. I am not. In our last adventures, Piggy was reunited with his long-lost father. It did not go well. Piggy's father stole all of their stuff, but he got busted by the cops. Now he is in the slammer. That's not fair. Chapter 1, The Fair Fairy, by George Beer and Harold Hutchins. Hey fellas, the Fair Fairy about to start. Let's go. Rip. Hey kitties, it's time for everybody's favorite show, the Fair Fairy. Who's that fairy in the air? Who's made things completely fair? See the Fair Fairy, oh yeah, then you don't want dog, no problem. Before we begin today's show, I like to apologize for my little bungle on last week's show, Bungle. Yes, I was under a lot of stress and did you want to do bunkers? That's not cool, downward dog. And don't call me dude, we'll talk about that. Where man, you flip up. Now, I have already apologized for, hey Gary, roll that clip from last week. No! Don't listen to him, Gary, he's crazy. Show it. Don't you dare. Welcome back to our show, children. Our next guests are Tina and Bamon. Tina is upset because Bamon got 2 cookies. And she only got 1. Yeah, that's not fair. Well, you come to the right show. Give me that cookie, Bamon. Hey, snap. Here you go, Tina. Now you each have 1.5 cookies. That's not fair. Why not? She got ice cream yesterday and I didn't get any. Hey Gary, do we have any ice cream baskets? Here you go. Kid, that's not fair. Why not? You got mint chocolate chip, but I only got vanilla. Gary, more ice cream. That's not fair. Why not? She got 3 scoops, but I only got 2. Gary, that's not fair. Why? His ice cream has more chocolate chip than mine. Her spoon is bigger than mine. My ice cream is amazing. Mine is melting than hers. It's not fair. Enough! Give me that bowl. You get nothing. Smash. And you give me your bowl. Nothing for you to crash. You both get nothing. Now it's fair. Now it's fair. Ha 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 ha. See, I told you. You were sleeping, dude. Well, that won't happen again. I'm much calmer today. And stop calling me dude. Whatever. Now let's work on our first guest, Tim and Brenda. Tim and Green. And he only got... Yeah, it's not fair. 9 minutes later. Give me that toy. You get nothing. Smash. Now it's fair. Hey, Dogman, Crash. Was that so inappropriate? Chapter 2. Circle Story. Soon. Hey fellas, it's almost 5 o'clock. That means my papa is gonna come over. He's going to take me to his house for the week. Remember our plan? Okay, let's do it. And so, okay. Oh, hey kids. Hi, Papa. Hey, you ready to go? Yeah, I just gonna keep my backpack. What the heck is that thing? Hey, what's your big idea? Get out of that backpack right now. Look, we have a deal. You're supposed to live with me in the week. And those guys on the weekend, remember, yeah. Well, you can't bring them with you. Rats, now let's go. Bye, fellas. Hey, Papa, how come Dogman and HD can come and stay with us? Because they can. Why? Look, I'm not trying to be mean. But Dogman he's leaves his own head. It was here and ADHD he's got a race car brain with bicycle brake. I just don't want those guys living in our house. It's not fair. Yeah, well, life ain't fair, kid. Get us to it. Poopy doopy stoopy Flippy and stop that when look to your right is unfair. You got two families who love you, and there are some kids around them who don't have one family. You got food, a bunch of books, toy games, art supplies. Some kids don't have any of the things. Who is that fair? Yeah, I'm sorry. You're right, Papa. I was right about something.